Welcome to our channel where we live, learn, and create. Preparing for college? Well, I'm here to guide you through what to expect during your exciting and transformative 4 years of college. From the first day on campus to graduation day, I've got you covered. Year 1 is the year of adjustment and exploration. In your freshman year, you'll experience a mix of emotions, from excitement to homesickness. It's a time of adjustment as you settle into campus life, make new friends, and explore different academic and extracurricular opportunities. Expect to navigate a range of general education courses, which provides a solid foundation for your academic journey ahead. Year 2 is focusing on your major and building connections. As you enter your sophomore year, you'll begin diving deeper into your chosen major. You'll take more specialized courses that align with your academic interests and career goals. Use this time to build relationships with professors, join clubs, sororities, fraternities, and organizations related to your field. Consider internships or research opportunities to gain practical experience. Year 3 is broadening your horizons. Junior year is often a time of exploration and expanding your academic field. You may have the opportunity to take elective courses outside of your major, allowing you to explore new subjects in interdisciplinary studies. This is also an ideal time to start thinking about post-graduation plans, such as graduate school or career paths, and seek guidance from academic advisors or career services. Year 4 is embracing seniority and culminating experiences. In your final year of college, you'll be a seasoned senior, ready to tackle the culmination of your undergraduate journey. This may involve completing a capstone project, conducting independent research, or participating in a senior seminar. Use this year to reflect on your college experience, solidify your career plans, and make lasting memories with friends before graduation day arrives. Throughout your college years, personal growth and self-discovery. Remember that college is not just about academics. It's a time of personal growth and self-discovery. You'll face challenges, learn to manage your time effectively, and develop essential life skills. Embrace opportunities to get involved in campus activities, engage in community service, and pursue hobbies that ignite your passion. College is about finding yourself and shaping your identity. Your college years will be a transformative and memorable chapter of your life. Embrace the journey, step out of your comfort zone, and make the most of every opportunity that comes your way. Have fun, study hard, and cherish the friendships and experiences that will shape you into the person you're meant to be. Congrats on embarking this incredible adventure. For help selecting a major that leads to careers paying top dollar salaries, watch our College Majors with Highest Earning Potential video now. Wishing you all the best as you embark on this exciting journey. Go forth and thrive. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Where we live, learn, and create.